Morning. Kind of a mattress review time, and let me go over a couple quick points before I do. Point number one, this is not a sponsored video. I don't do sponsored videos. And plus I don't want to work for anybody. I'm not doing that. So this is not a sponsored video. Next, I have slept on these mattresses close to 2,000 nights, including my family members. We have them here and we have them at the beach house, and we had them at the older house here too. I have paid for almost all of these except for two. I think I have purchased 9 total. I've given some away as Christmas presents, but I have purchased all but 2. This one is going to go upstairs in a guest bedroom. I have the 14-inch up there, but what happens during hunting season, so you understand, is I get up every morning at 4:50. So when I'm going to hunt, I actually go sleep in the guest bedroom so that the girls, the wife and the 2 dogs that are asleep in the king-size bed, can actually sleep and I don't wake them up. So I'll go sleep upstairs. But I wanted to try this 16 in a queen, so they went ahead and sent me one of them because they weren't in stock for a while, and they are absolutely fabulous. It's shocking when you see the size of the box and what this mattress comes into. Now, I want you to understand something. Decades ago, I actually helped friends open a furniture store, and I got really involved in mattress and mattress manufacturing. I understand how it works. You do not need a box spring. Matter of fact, I suggest if you're going to get this, I will put a link to, you'll see on my bed, it has one of these roll out, it just has slats, and we replaced all of our box springs with these wooden slats that you don't need a box spring. I call it a luxury firm mattress. Now the 14-inch is definitely a luxury firm, and what this mattress basically is this is the 14-inch version with an additional 2 inches of memory foam on top. So if you wake up with any kind of pain in your hips and your shoulders and whatever, this is the mattress for you. Now the question people are going to ask, is it soft? No, it really isn't soft. When you lie on it, you can feel it sort of give, you can feel that memory foam give, but there's a ton of support in there. I want you to understand that this is constructed just like normal mattresses. In other words, you have independently wrapped coils all along the bottom. Then you have multiple layers of foam and fabric. Then you have memory foam, and then you have a nice damask cover on top of that. Now, I do put a affiliate link down below, and one of the reasons why I put that, if you use the code DOC, D-O-C, what it will do is it'll search their website for the lowest possible price. And if there's an additional discount, like maybe an extra 5% or something, you'll get it. So use that link and I'll take you directly to this mattress style. Use the code DOC, and you use the code DOC when you go to checkout. But you want to be careful and you want to select. So if you want a queen, select the queen and select the 16-inch version. If you want a king, select the king and select the 16-inch version, then go to checkout. And when you go to checkout, as you're going through, you'll see a coupon code or something, put in DOC in there, and it'll go. Like I said, we have 2 of these down at the beach house. I actually replaced the 12-inch down there, the older 12-inch with the 16-inch. Love it, absolutely fabulous. My son and his fiance have one over there. I've got them one for Christmas. I have given away a couple of these to people out here that work for me, especially when we moved from the other house. Instead of moving them over here, I just gave them to those guys over there, the workers. And then what we did is just ordered new ones. So anyways, I'm going to unbox it and I'm going to set it up, and you'll see it's really cool to watch, if nothing else. I take mattress videos pretty seriously, and I'll tell you why. If I recommend a chainsaw to you or a tool, you may pull that, a pressure washer, you may pull that out a couple times a year. When it comes to a mattress, you're going to think of me every single night when you lay on this thing. I'm telling you, I don't take these videos, these mattress videos, lightly, and I would not recommend it if I did not love these things. So here we go. Let's head upstairs to the guest bedroom, and I'll show you the one I've had for several years. Isn't that cool? These are pictures I've taken. I blow them up on canvas. That one. That is next door at that farm property. Pretty cool, huh? Oh, and I love my donkey. I took that one in North Georgia. Isn't he cool? Anyways. All right. So this is the 14-inch version that I've had for, I think it's almost 3 years. And we keep it up here during hunting season. If I'm going to get up at 4:45 in the morning, typically I'll come up here and sleep up here. so I don't wake up the girls. They're down there and they're going to sleep until 6:30 or so. So anyways, so someone's going to ask me about the bed, the actual frame, and I got this. See that? I actually got that. I bought that on Amazon, and I love these. We have one of these. We have one of these at the beach house. I'm telling you, it's all about value. It's not about buying a $3,000, the world's best mattress. It's about the fact that you can spend $400 to $600 on a mattress, use it for 3 years, and then get rid of it and get a replacement and get a new one. I mean, that's what I'd rather do. I'd rather not spend $3 grand on a mattress and then feel like there's no way I can get rid of this thing because I spent $3 grand on it. All right, well, it's 1:30 and I've been up since 4:50 working. We've all been outside working the gardens, the fields, the landscaping, and I'm exhausted. And I've remembered I got to do this bed. So what I like to do is I like to take this. It's amazing that 16-inch queen luxury firm is in that little package. So the only thing that kind of confuses people, and it confuses me, is you put this on here and you unroll it and it's upside down. So you may have to flip this over. You'll see the coils on the bottom. That's the bottom side. You see these little coil marks. And then the upper side is that little quilted side. So and you want to be careful. You want to be careful not to cut too much. Oh. So you think it rolls away, doesn't it? There we go. Here goes the fun part. Ready? That is like the coolest thing ever. Do not use a knife. That is friggin' amazing. Absolutely amazing. A 16-inch luxury firm can actually come in that little box. Within 1 hour, you can sleep on this. Within 24 hours, it's completely blown up. Let me take this plastic off. Okay, so here we are, 10 minutes later. Look, that is incredible. Look at that. Look at the size of this mattress. And the difference between the 14-inch and the 16-inch is an additional 2 inches of memory foam, if I'm not mistaken. Now you still have all of your independent coils, your multiple layers of foam, your edge support, all the padding, but there's an extra 2 inches of memory foam. And this is 10 minutes. So all this will tighten up. Let me tell you what, oh yeah. It's nice and soft on the top, but you hit a point that it firms up. That's why it's a luxury firm. Soft, but I'm gonna lay down on it. Yes, I got boots on, I don't care. It's my house, I pay for everything. If I wanna lay down on a bed with boots on, I'm gonna lay down on a bed with boots on. Oh, oh my goodness. This is wonderful. This is absolutely wonderful. You're amazing. I could go to sleep right now. This thing, this 16-inch luxury firm with the 2-inch extra memory foam on top is shaping to my body. And I actually have a lower disc issue and it feels amazing. Now, if you want a really firm mattress, or I mean something that doesn't, then get the 14. The 14 is a little bit firmer, but this is just awesome. Couple quick notes and a funny story. These things are not light. This is a 2-person lift, so either have a dolly or have someone to help you if you got to move this thing. I'm just warning you, heads up, they are heavy. Next, if I forgot to put a link to something, let me know. I'll try and find it. If I talked about something, use the code DOC at checkout. But what's the funny note about this story? So I always try and we give away all of our produce and all of our eggs to family, friends, whoever, people in need. I always try and find someone to give my old mattress to, because they're only 2 or 3 years old. We cover them with a mattress cover, so it's not like you're sleeping on someone else's junk. They're actually really clean and in great shape. So I asked Jeff and John, they said, no, we're all set. I asked Lily, I asked Rachel. Jeff saw the mattress that we were getting ready to take to the dump. He was like, oh, no. He said, I want that. He said, that's like 10 times nicer than the mattress I have. He was like, dude, that is a nice mattress. Now, that's the old 14-inch. This 16-inch actually kicks its butt. But I'm just telling you, he was like, his tune changed instantly when he saw it. Is there anything else I want to cover in it? Just the fact that they are heavy. Be careful if you're going to do them. You can sleep on it. Once you open it up, within a couple hours, you can sleep on it. You don't have to wait. It takes about 24 hours for all that foam to completely compress up and open up. And they are fabulous. Like I said, this is like 5 years that we have slept on these things, several different versions of it. They're fabulous. That's all I can say. And I wouldn't put my stamp endorsement on it if I didn't love these things. That's it. Hope it helped. Doc.